Hi, good morning. This is going to be a very quick tutorial about how something that I found while I was following a tutorial for creating plugins for Godot engine. While I was following the tutorial, there was something that was changed that you are already seeing in the screen. That is not well documented on the internet, and if you try to search it on Google, there is not info about. It's a little change that it makes very difficult to know, that confuse you what you have to do regarding the clipboard. As you can see on the screen, on the Godot engine 3.0, you have to call the OS operative system class and access to the static variable clipboard, but that was changed on Godot 4.1 and so on into the display server, and it was changed from a static variable into a part of static functions, the clipboard and set and the clipboard get. As you can see, it's pretty simple in here. Now I will show you how it's working this as part of the plugin that I'm making, just to see that is working correctly. You can see that is working correctly. Okay, first, this plugin generate random name. Doing a clicking here, as you can see, this button is not part of the normal process for Godot. Is not by default. I created this plugin. I just have to click and generate a random name. It's printed in here also, and I will copy that, and now I will paste it into the notepad. As you can see, it's the same name. I will do it again, generate another, copy, and then paste it. As you can see, it changed. Now I will do the same for pasting whatever text I have on the clipboard outside the Godot engine. Head. Okay, Control C, and now paste. As you can see, has changed. Again, Control C, paste, and it does the trick. So it has changed to display server from operating system class to OS class into the display server. But if this has changed, it comes into my mind a question: what about the other things that have changed and you don't know when, and there's not info on Google about what has changed? Then you have to simply double click here. That's a special good function that have Godot engine. You can do a click here on search on help. This button is in Spanish, but it means search on help. That appears in here and will open a search into the reference documentation. For example, I want to search for the clipboard clip, and it will show you everything from classes, properties, constants, and methods that has the keyword clip. In this case, I had found the getter and setter on the display server, so it's pretty amazing, pretty fabulous. Then you can just click on here or search for something For example, skeleton. Here, skeleton. But in the mesh 3D, skeleton and polygon 2D, bone 2D, and this is the tool that is going to help you in everything that you need to find in Godot engine. And that's it basically. I hope this helped you. I know that in later versions probably the display server will no longer have the clipboard that you can access outside the Godot engine for your plugins for Godot engine. But with this way to search for things, with this tool, the search on help, it will help you pretty well. It will help you pretty well. Sorry, I'm not native English speaker, so you can notice it just by hearing me. Okay, that's all. If you have questions or you want to show me your own plugins and tell me what they do, just leave a comment. If you are wondering why I'm making restore to the skeleton, I tried to do a pretty quick plugin to you restore the pose for 2D skeletons on the animation tab. But until that is finished, I will not upload a video telling you how to that is done, because it's not. Right now I'm trying to make it, and will be available on this YouTube channel, and probably I will put a link into GitHub. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you later.